Hello family. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you're a nurse outside the United States, in Nigeria, Ghana, Philippines, India, Kenya, UAE, UK, South Africa, Caribbean, and you want to take the NCLEX-RN exam, today I am breaking down the exact registration steps, from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll understand 1. How to start your NCLEX registration. 2. What documents you need. 3. How to get your authorization to test, ATT. 4. How to schedule your exam. 5. What happens on exam day. 6. And the biggest mistakes overseas candidates make. Let's get started. Section 1. Check your eligibility. Before anything, you must make sure a U.S. State Board of Nursing, BON, will accept your education and experience. Most overseas nurses apply to Texas BON, New York BON, Illinois BON, Florida BON, Ohio BON, New Mexico BON. Each state has different requirements, but the general rule is, you must have a nursing degree. You must be a licensed nurse in your home country. You must meet the board's education standards. You must send official transcripts and verification. Pick the state that matches your goals. Many international nurses prefer Texas or New York because they are more internationally friendly. Section 2. Apply to a state board of nursing. To begin your NCLEX journey, you must submit an application to a state board of nursing. What this includes: online application form. Payment of state fees varies, $75 to $300 plus. Background check / fingerprinting. Credential evaluation for most states. Some states require you to use CGFNS or CES to verify your education. New York uses CVS for New York State instead. Once the board receives your documents and approves your education, they will make you eligible for the exam. Section 3. Register with Pearson VUE. Next, go to www.pearsonvue.com/NCLEX. Create an account and register for the NCLEX exam. You will pay NCLEX fee, $200 US. This step is required before you receive your authorization to test, ATT. Section 4. Wait for your ATT. Once the state board approves you, Pearson VUE will send your authorization to test, ATT, by email. Your ATT contains your name, ID number, eligibility dates, scheduling instructions. The ATT is valid for 90 days to 1 year, depending on the state. Very important. Your name on your passport must match the name on your ATT exactly. Section 5. Scheduling your NCLEX exam. Using your ATT, log into Pearson VUE and schedule your exam. You can take the NCLEX in many countries: Kenya, South Africa, Johannesburg, India, multiple cities, Philippines, Manila, Cebu, UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, UK, London, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Australia, Canada. Pick the closest center, select your date, and confirm. Section 6. Preparing for the exam. What you need to prepare. Use NCLEX-style question banks. UWorld. Archer Review. NCLEX High Yield. Simple Nursing. Kaplan. Study the NCLEX format. Next Gen NCLEX. Case studies. Bowtie questions. Extended multiple response. Highlighting. Matrix grid. Focus on key content. Safety. Priority questions. Delegation. Infection control. Med-SURG and fundamentals. Create a study schedule and be consistent. Section 7. Exam day experience. On exam day, arrive at least 30 minutes early. Bring your valid passport only. No watches, no phones, no bags inside. Your palm will be scanned for identity. You'll be assigned a locker. You will take a photo before entering the testing room. The exam lasts up to 5 hours. You may get 85 to 150 questions. Next-gen NCLEX system. Once the computer decides your ability level is above or below passing standard, it shuts off. After the exam, in some states you can see quick results in 48 hours. Official results come from your Board of Nursing. Section 8. After you pass. If you pass, you become a registered nurse, RN, for that state. Next steps include getting your license number, applying for jobs in the US, starting your visa screen for immigration, choosing a US employer or agency, beginning the green card or TN visa process. Your journey officially begins. We would like to say a big thank you to our subscribers. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. God bless you all.